Good morning. Today we're looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado in a high country model. This is the one of 8 trims. This is number 8. Of course, you have all kinds of goodies: work truck, custom trail boss, LT, RST, LT trail boss, LTZ in high country. So this is the very top. This one has the polished aluminum 20-inch wheels with Bridgestone tires. This one also has their wheel-to-wheel running boards, gives you better access to the back. You have your Chevy Tech bed liner in this one. High country embossing there on this one. Rear sliding glass. Your lights and your power outlet. Cool thing about this one, has a power up and down tailgate. You just push this little button here. It'll go down. But Z will also go up. You can even use your knee to do it if you want. Just prop it up like that. It will shut. Of course, your camera in the back. There's your towing equipment, rear park assist in the back, dual exhaust outlets. This is real pretty pearl white, iridescent pearl tri-coat. Check out the back here, show you some room. Got the 4 house liners in this one. These outboard seats are heated, and they also have little storage areas behind. There's a little button there you can use to give you more visibility, and that is power. Along with the power sliding rear glass, you get this beautiful sunroof. Pretty rare feature on these trucks. It does have it. There are your rear vents, more power outlets, and your buttons for the 2 outboard seats in the back. All right, we'll go up front. Right there, got an extra power seat for the passengers, so they get a nice ride too. You got your high country embossing there. Wireless charging. All kinds of features on this one. You got your trailer brake controller, your lane departure warning, parking assist off button. That can also lower your tailgate from inside. Hazards, stability track, traction control off button. Your power button, and then use this cool little button. Push it, it rolls all 4 windows down at the same time. It doesn't roll, it power. I don't know why I said that, but it don't matter. Here's the power outlet for the front. To use these power outlets in the front or the back, you must push this button and make it green. This vehicle does not have auto stop. So there's more stuff up here. There's for your rear sliding glass and your power sunroof and your universal home remote for your garage door opener for short. Go up to the front. Oh. Boosh. All right. Get a better look at that nice pearl collar. Here, just a pearl tri-coat. Go around the front. That's pretty nice. The grills get this real cool inlay here for the high country models. Go back inside. Start this bad boy up. As you can see, power seat. These are heated and ventilated front seats. There's all your power equipment. It does have the memory seats. You can fold the mirror in by pushing this button. That'll fold the mirror in. Oh, cool. Need to be reset, so I'll go ahead and show you that. There you go. All right. You can see on the mirrors, they do have blind zone alert on them. This has a 2-speed transfer case, your tow haul mode, your driving mode, fog lights, your bed light. It has what's called Tele-Beam headlamps. That's the button that activates that. I'll go start this thing up. All your features, your Ford live music, Ford collision alert right here, cruise control here, heated steering wheel here. There's your push to talk button and hang up button. And of course, this does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen here, I went over this several times just to show you. You can see all the different options this one has. Pretty great. More view of the radio. This model even has navigation on it, so that's great. And we'll go back, hit the back button to go back. And camera, there's your cameras you have on this one. Super nice. More power points inside. And thanks for watching. Please just subscribe if you haven't, and comment below if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.